In this video, we finna talk about. God, I don't ash it in the mud. Put some lotion on. That's that HD ash too. But yeah, man, in this video, man, we finna talk about the importance of woofing and why do wavers keep their waves thick. You feel me? Yeah, stay tuned.
Just wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low. Yeah.
Oh wow.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, man, you feel me? Any kind of waves, man, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. Look, hey, in this video, man, we finna cover a topic I covered years ago. I don't think I did that recently, but it's time for that. You feel me? It's time for that.
Yes, Sirski!
We finna talk about why do wavers keep their waves thick. No further ado, man. Let's get into it.
Got the sauce, bitch.
First and foremost, you need to know what is woofing, right? So woofing is basically growing your hair out for a certain amount of weeks and brushing your hair, putting in extra brush work while you're doing it. You feel me? Depending on who you ask or who you talk to, the way you count your woof may vary. You feel me? Some wavers, like when I first came in the game, wavers you tell me if you normally get your hair cut 2 weeks, it'll be that third week your first woof. I don't count woofing like that. Basically, the way I count it, if I get a haircut that Friday, you feel me? That next Friday, that's my first week of woof. You feel me? So depending on how you want to count it, woofing may vary. So now that you know what woofing is, we finna talk about the importance of woofing and all that. So one of the main importance of woofing, it creates depth, get your waves deep down to the scalp. So when you cut it off, cut it. Hey, when you cut it off, man, look, your waves gonna be looking extraordinary. Your waves gonna be looking extraordinary, man. You feel me? Like, woo, they gonna be in there. You feel me? But you gotta be putting in that work while you woofing, man. If you just growing your hair out and you ain't brushing, like, what's the point, man?
You need to cut it.
No cow. You feel me? Like, so, hey, basically, you want to be putting in that extra work. You want to make sure you got a medium hard brush. Medium hard to a hard brush, depending on how long you woofing, you feel me? If you plan on woofing for about 6 months, but you might need an extra hard brush, no cow, you feel me? But if you just gonna do a regular little woof, you feel me? Depending on your texture, it depends on how long you need to woof, right? If you're a straight hair waver, you can woof for longer length. Everybody knows Sir Cruz, you know he a straight hair waver, man. He can woof for a long time. That man don't woof for dang near a year, you feel me? So hey, he can do that. There's no need to woof that long. On average, I woof like probably 4 to 6 weeks, depending on how I'm feeling. So basically, you need to figure out how long you need to woof depending on your texture. When you woofing, man, you want to use a hard brush, you feel me, depending on how long your hair is, or medium hard. I prefer medium hard because it don't hurt your scalp as much, and it still get the job done. So when you woofing, you want to use a comb. Like I said, don't use a comb. You just cut down to a 1.5 and a week later you want to use a comb. Man, nah, stop playing. You gotta have a certain amount of hair on your head. You may need to wash more. I hate washing my hair a lot because I feel like I don't give my hair the time to bounce back to how it was looking before I washed it. So I usually wash my hair once a week, no way around it. But if I'm Whiffing, like whiffing heavy, I might do twice a week. Depending on how long you whiffing, you also may want to use a pomade. I prefer all natural pomade. If you can't afford all natural pomade, man, go to your local beauty supply store, man. Pick up a regular old, you feel me, pomade. It what really got me started with waves. Like back in the day, they're old. I haven't used even a light pomade, like 360 style, man. It's light in the merves. You feel me? This old school merves, man. Come on now, stop playing with it. They really got wave, but they whiffing on the can. For real. They told you want to use this when you whiffing, like whiff. But I prefer all natural, man. But if you just can't afford it, go get one of these, man. It's not that deep, man. They'll do the same thing. All natural is just better for your hair health. I hope I covered everything. Hey, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man.
You wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low, they hate on low, they hate on low.